gonna do quick pigs in a blanket, everything style. So you can do big pigs in a blanket, full-size organic hot dogs. These are all beef, but you can pick any dogs you like, and you can even buy some vegan dogs, which are quite tasty. We got some little minis here, or the big fellas, and you take any spicy or mild mustard you like. You cut store-bought puff pastry dough near the length of the dog or the pig that you're using, right? So these babies, we cut a little thin strip about 3 inches long, see there? And we're gonna roll that up and let the edges of the piggies stick out of the blankie. Then we're gonna coat it with a little egg wash. And this is my favorite part. We made everything bagel crunchy topper. So you take the big chunky pieces of garlic and onion, not the powdered, but the big flakes, and we took coarse sea salt or big flaky sea salt, and you mix that with poppy seeds, sesame seeds, and I like to add crushed red pepper flake too. You put all that in a dish, and you just press it into that egg wash so it sticks. Yes! And then you just pop these in the oven at 400 degrees until they're puffed and golden and the little piggies are hot through. When we come back, get the piggies out of the oven right after this. We took full-size hot dogs and little baby Franks, and we wrapped them in store-bought puff pastry. We egg washed them and dunked them in basically everything bagel, sesame, spicy, garlic, onion, salt crust. Bake them off, and then I put the same mustard that I put inside the blankies. I fill a bowl with that and top that with some finely chopped white onion. Give the onion a rinse so it's easy on the digestion. And then we're going to take ketchup, put that alongside, and I top the ketchup with a little sweet relish.